Hi, I'm Lois Hermann, and I look forward to seeing you at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference. It's live this year in Marlborough, Massachusetts, and I'm excited to be one of the presenters. So please join me for the energy clearing and alignment process to discover some hypnotic techniques that will enhance your client outcomes. The presentation is designed to help our clients who are so ensconced in worry and fear and damaging toxic energy. Hypnotists are uniquely positioned to help clear negative energy and raise vibrations to be more positive and empowering. You'll hear and learn about some hypnotic techniques to shift energy from fear to hope, anger to peace, and despair to empowerment. So a couple of the topics that I'll be covering are the importance of balancing mind, body, and spiritual energy. Also, you'll learn some amazing techniques to clear toxic energy and help maintain health. And you'll experience a hypnosis-based energy balancing and chakra alignment journey to help empower yourself and your clients to maintain a high vibrational state. This workshop is designed to help you integrate powerful energy techniques that will make a difference for yourself and your clients. As we align our energy, we establish a grounded focus that is critical to success. I look forward to meeting with you at this year's NGH conference in August. Stop by my booth as well. Take good care.